love using tape as a sewing guide to make interesting patterns on my projects. The most common way to do this is with masking tape. The reason why I don't like this is because masking tape is way too sticky and it's very hard to pull off the roll without it tearing, and also really hard to pull off the fabric. You'll notice that as I start to remove it, but it's actually pulling the fabric too hard and it's making it look a little worn. Also, when you get to the edges, it typically starts unraveling your fabric. And when I pull it off, it tends to stick to itself and lose its shape. I wouldn't be able to use this piece again. I don't have a straight edge anymore. A much better tool that I've found is washi tape. It's still paper tape like masking tape, but it's a lot less sticky. And that means it can stick down and remove very easily without damaging your fabric at all. The other benefit to washi tape is it comes in a lot of different widths. Typically, masking tape is like a 1 or 2 inch roll, just like this one. But with washi tape, I can get all different types of widths for all different results in my project. Let me show you how I use this washi tape on this panel that I want to add some sewing detail to. I'm going to just put the tape right down the middle of each corner, and then I'm going to sew these triangles. And you'll see it's giving me a really nice line to follow, and I'm creating this really cool pattern. When I remove the tape, it comes off super easy and it doesn't damage the fabric at all. I can just stick it to my table here until I'm ready to use it again. And look at that really cool design. It was super easy to do and super accurate because of the tape guide. And the good thing about this washi tape is I can keep reusing it for this entire project. It will stick down enough to be a good guide for me. And so here I'm just repeating the process, sticking it down and then sewing my lines. Once I get to the finer details, I can even tear the tape and make smaller guides. I also have another size. It's very small and I can use it to do some more detailed lines.